Jambo Mara Safari Lodge. 5 stars. Experience world-class service at Jambo Mara Safari Lodge. Jambo Mara Safari Lodge is located in the Masai Mara National Reserve. Free Wi-Fi is available and free private parking is available on site. Some units feature a terrace and/or balcony. There is a private bathroom with a shower and bathrobes in each unit. Towels are offered. Clean and comfortable, reasonable hours for electricity and hot water in each room. The staff were friendly and attentive. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Great stay. Everything great and very friendly staff. They hosted us excellent. Overall it was awesome except the light issue at night. The welcome. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.